But I'll tell you what, guys, we're here at the Wild Onion in Randleman, North Carolina, and this stuff looks fantastic. Check it out. What is all of that? Well, we made it in here.
Oh, that.
Have you tried it yet, Vicki?
What?
Your ham and stuff? What's
No,
that?
I ain't tried
What'd you
that
get?
either.
What is that? Chicken pie or
This is pot pie.
chicken pot pie? Okay, I got prime rib. I don't know what all that is. Mashed potatoes, what's that?
That was pretty
I
good.
don't know what that is. Looks like sweet potato or something. Green beans. I don't know what that is.
Potato salad looks like or something like that.
We'll let you know. And people are just rolling in here, guys. Check it out. Must be the place. Okay, we're gonna try this prime rib right here. So it comes with macaroni and cheese, green beans, deviled egg casserole, never heard of it. Sweet potato casserole, mashed potatoes and gravy, red and rolled. Vicki got the ham, and what's that, chicken pie? Some sort? So far, everything I've tasted is pretty daggone tasty. I can see why the place stays packed. That's good. We have some leftovers. That's pretty good, folks. You all need to try this place out. Hey guys, I'm Tom.
Vicki.
We don't even need to say that because we had just left the restaurant. We already said that earlier, right? Anywho's, we just tried that place, Wild Onion in Randleman, and man, that was pretty good groceries right there. And you've seen all the food, and we're taking leftovers to feed other people. So, well, anywho's, we're gonna get on out of here and hope you enjoyed the video and stick around and look at all the other places we've been. We got a lot of videos. Just look that way and you'll see them. So anyways, thanks. If you ain't done it yet, go ahead and hit the follow button and like and share these videos and push it out so other people can see it, is what we're saying. How come you ain't talking?
Because I'm driving.
Oh, and it's raining, so just that way. All right, see y'all. Thanks for watching.